Here you go, you little shit. Are you okay?
Oh yes, I'm perfectly fine, thank you. You're such a good boy.
You're fat.
And you're adopted. Oh my god.
Yeah, well, whatever. I fucking hate you, bitch.
Daddy issues. Oh my god.
You seriously mocking me right now?
Oh no, I'm not. No.
Boss, look, there's a guy with tits. Oh yeah, I remember you. Your dick is definitely built like a 4x1 Lego piece, and you have no parents. You adopted fuck.
You adopted fuck.
Alright, we're at Diddy's Fireball.
Nah.
That's not even funny. That's not even funny. Oh, I'm gonna get cancelled. Mummy, where's Big World? Oh, he lived with a milk just like your daddy.